May I start? A warm welcome to all the dignitaries present here. Myself Sharvari and my hall ticket number is S206. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that shapes the future of every child, every nation and every generation. That is, education isn't just about marks, it's about building character. We live in the world where report cards often decide how smart we are, where percentage determines our worth, and where sometimes marks becomes more important than the person scoring them. Let me ask you a simple question. Can marks alone create a great human being? In every exam hall, we are taught to answer questions on paper, but life does not give us question paper. Life tests us when we fail, when we are rejected, when we face challenges, and when there is no one is watching you. And in that moment, it is not our marks that guides us, it is our character. If marks created success, then every topper would become a world leader. Every rank holder would become a change maker. But history proves something different. APJ Abdul Kalam sold a newspaper as a child. Mother Teresa was not a science topper. Einstein once said that education is not about learning facts, but the training of mind to think. What made these people great was not their marks. It was their value, integrity, kindness, humility, courage, and moreover hard work. Today, many people of students live under pressure. Pressure to score, pressure to rank, and pressure to compare. This pressure turns education into fear, not learning. But the training of mind, it should be strong minds, not stressed minds. The true education should teach to speak truth even when it is difficult, to respect others, to help others, to be responsible, and to dream big without fear. These qualities cannot be printed on the mark sheet. This can be shown in an action. In schools, we prepare for exams once or twice a year, but every day is an exam of character. When we help a friend without expecting anything, when we accept our mistakes, when we stand for what is right, that is real education. Let me give you a simple example. A student scored 100 out of 100 in moral science, but cheats in exam. Is that a real education? Maybe no. Another student scored average marks but stood for the bullied classmate. Isn't that the real reflection of education? Our classroom teaches us formulas, equations and grammar, but life teaches us patience, empathy, teamwork and leadership. And a true education is to balance these both. So, the one thing I want to tell, and I want to tell you one thing is, I'm not saying that marks are useless. Marks motivate us to work hard. But when marks becomes more important and when marks becomes the growth, instead of growth, then it loses the meaning of education. Marks should be a part of education, not the purpose of education. In today's world, companies don't just hire the toppers. They hire the people with honesty, creativity, communication skills and ethical values. Because machines can also score marks, but humans with good character can make the world better. Dear judges, the world already had many intelligent people. What it needs today are honest leaders, kind doctors, responsible engineers, and compassionate teachers. And that the future not begins with higher marks, but with higher values. So, let us all remember one thing forever. A good student can be known for their marks, but a great human being can be known for their character. So, let us all remember one thing and also let us all aim one thing. A good student and also not only to become a rank holder, but a responsible citizen. Not just intelligent minds, but kind-hearted. Not just successful individuals, but a great human being. I would like to end with a powerful line. Marks makes a living, but character makes a life. Thank you and have a wonderful day from my bottom of my heart. Thank you.